Hey everybody, this is Daryl for the Mad Rabbit Tree. Overnight and still going on right now, we're having a really bad windstorm where we're at, and it took out 2 of my 3 rabbit hutches. We've misplaced a few rabbits that got out. That one's still good. Knocked over that one. That's the one we have our nursery in. Right there's one that got out. We happened to capture him back. So far everybody's safe. They're just really shook it up. You can see the door got ripped off. I hope you can hear me. The wind is horrible and I really don't have any camera equipment, you know, professional grade or nothing. I'm just doing this on my phone. That's how we roll here at the Mad Rabbit. Yeah, it blew it right off the cinder blocks, even knocked those over. This one stayed up though. There's the top of the nursery. Come in. Even the chickens are having a hard time. There's the Colin Bunny boy. There's the one that got dropped off. He's still surviving. And here's the under. Now I can't put this one up. This is going to be the easiest one for me to get up by myself. But over the course of the winter, we've been giving him straw, and it's been too cold to get out, for me anyway, to get out and get it up. And I've got a huge pile of straw right here that I have to get up so I can get it back onto the ground, level ground. They're safe. I imagine it scared the devil out of them. But I just want to let you guys know what was going on with the Mad Rabbit. Sorry we haven't made a lot of videos lately. It's winter time and it was really cold in our neck of the woods. This is what's going on. It just devastated our rabbit lot. Just devastated it. I mean, that thing, that's got like 16 in it, I believe it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, something like that, I believe. I don't know. I'm trying to video and count. It just blew it right over. Just blew it right over. Blew that one over. And you can probably still hear the wind. I don't know if you'll be able to hear me talk too much or not. It just devastated everything up here. There's one we found. I had an indoor cage. We got her. She's a female. And we got her in. She's none too happy after experiencing the cage and then our cage falling over and then having freedom. Yeah, that's just, wow. And the wind is just terrible. Okay guys, just wanted to let you know what was going on with the Mad Rabbit. Let you know what kind of devastating day we're going to have here. All right, any questions, comments, please feel free to ask. Feel free to subscribe if you would like. All right, have a great day.